in this circle. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. Like he's, okay, yeah. Arlen doesn't seem like the type that jokes about this stuff, so we're going. Okay. I'm like, is that a korat? Sorry, bird. I'm just thinking this is a good day for a boat dive though. It's a good day for a boat dive. Like, this is really freaking scary. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Looks like it, yeah. But you know, I just reported the paddleboard out here now, right? Paddleboard out here now, right? No, you know, he's not part of the race. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. I'm sure I paddle well. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. I'm like, adventuring anywhere, you know what my answer's gonna be. But yeah, no, I'll tell you. I do want to do hang gliding a little bit more in Santa Barbara too. Santa Barbara, hang gliding, because it's right, it's a bluff over the water. No. Paragliding. Yeah, yeah, because they run off the mountains up there, and you get nice ocean views when you do it. I think Malibu, we should do the Malibu paramotoring. The Malibu paramotoring, that would be really fun. Oh, is it? Oh, that kind of sucks. Okay. Did Jordan do it too, or no? Oh, okay. Not in. Oh. Oh, gotcha. Oh. Oh. I think you're doing pretty good. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, what is that? Oh, it's okay. Oh. Oh, that's pretty neat. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'm like, I love. No. In Texas or in Florida? Scallops? Urchins? Oh, okay. Yeah, no, nothing from the Gulf, dude. Yeah. Oh, is it? Okay. Where was the... That's where they had the oil spill, right? Yeah. I mean... Okay. Okay. That's gross.